Welcome. If you're looking to delete your data from Gmail on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to do just that. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. This is your gateway to managing all your Google account settings, including Gmail. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Data from Apps and Services You Use. This is where you can find all the information connected to your Google services. Now, find Gmail in that list. Next to it, you'll see an option that says Delete. Click on that to proceed with deleting your Gmail data. The next step is crucial. You'll be prompted to enter an existing email address that you already own and want to use for signing in after deleting your Gmail. Remember, this email cannot be a Gmail address. Once you've filled that in, click on Send Verification Email. Now, check your inbox for that verification email. Make sure to open it and follow the instructions provided. This step is important because until you verify your new email address, your Gmail account will not be deleted. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated the process to delete your Gmail data. Be sure to double-check everything, as this action is irreversible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.